Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a rare case, a case of Chiari type 3 malformation with meningoencephalocele. You can see the fetus, the fetal abdominal cavity. The placenta is interiorly attached. The duration of pregnancy is about 20 weeks. Chiari 3 malformation is an extremely rare anomaly characterized by a low occipital and high cervical encephalocele with herniation of posterior fossa contents, that is the cerebellum and or the brainstem, occipital lobe and fourth ventricle. You can see the fetal cardiac activity which looks echomechonormal, the fetal limbs, lower limbs. Placenta is interiorly attached. Chiari 3 malformation is a rare anomaly associated with low occipital, high cervical encephalocele, including small posterior fossa and posterior elements such as cerebellum, brainstem, occipital lobe, or fourth ventricle, and early death is related to poor prognosis such as severe disability in the long term. Again, you can see the fetal abdomen and the placenta. This severity of Chiari malformation can vary from person to person, but generally Chiari 1 malformation are not considered life-threatening. Some people experience painful headache, movements problems and other unpleasant symptoms, but many people will not have any symptoms. You can see the face of the fetus, both the eyes are visible. The head is slightly small for dates due to the presence of a large meningoencephalocele. Now you can see the fetal head, and this is the meningoencephalocele. You can see the herniation of posterior fossa contents. Again, you can see the fetal head and the meningoencephalocele. The lemon sign refers to the shape of the fetal skull at ultrasound when the frontal bones lose their normal vertex contour and appear flattened or inward scalloped. This gives the skull a shape similar to that of lemon, as you can see in this case. This is a neural tube defect. Chiari 3 malformation is a structural defect in the cerebellum, and it is characterized by downward displacement of one or both cerebellar tonsils through the foramen magnum, the opening at the base of the skull. Chiari malformation can cause headache, difficulty in swallowing, vomiting, dizziness, neck pain, unsteady gait, poor hand coordination, numbness and tingling of hands and feet, and the speech problems. You can see the meningoencephalocele. seen in the hind portion of the fetal skull bone. Less often, people may experience ringing or buzzing in the ears, weakness, slow heart rhythm, or fast heart rhythm, curvature of the spines, scoliosis related to spinal cord impairment, abnormal breathing, such as central sleep apnea, characterized by periods of breathing cessation during sleep, and in severe cases, paralysis. But these are the signs and symptoms seen in the not in the fetus, maybe in the fetus, but in the extrauterine life. Again, you can see the meningoencephalocele. Chiari malformation is a condition where lower parts of the brain pushes downwards towards the spinal cord. This is serious disease and needs to be classified as a disability, so people do not have to fight to get help with income when we have to come out of work or cannot work because of this condition. Again, you can see the fetus. This is the placenta. This is the fetal head. Antenatal ultrasound and encephalocele may be seen as a purely cystic mass or may contain echoes from the herniated brain tissue. If the mass appears cystic, the meningocele component predominates, while the solid mass indicates predominantly an encephalocele. Larger encephalocele may show accompanying microcephaly, as in this case. You can find some important information about this anomaly in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.